Bitcoin Cash is the crypto coin that aims to make online transactions quicker and cheaper. But what is going to happen to it? Can we make some kind of prediction for the Bitcoin Cash price, and what might such a prediction tell us? Before we do that, let's take a look at the cryptocurrency's history. While prior performance is never any guarantee of future results, it does help us put things into context and gain some understanding that might inform a Bitcoin Cash price prediction. The Bitcoin Cash, peer-to-peer electronic cash whitepaper laid out the rationale behind developing the new cryptocurrency. According to the Bitcoin Cash website, Bitcoin became increasingly unreliable and expensive. This was because the community could not reach a consensus on increasing the network capacity. Some of the developers did not understand and agree with Bitcoin founder Satoshi Nakamoto's plan. Instead, they preferred Bitcoin become a settlement layer. By 2017, Bitcoin dominance had plummeted from 95% to as low as 40% as a direct result of the usability problems. On August 1, 2017, we took the logical step of increasing the maximum block size, and Bitcoin Cash was born. Anyone who held Bitcoin at that time, block 478558, became an owner of Bitcoin Cash. The network now supports up to 32 megabytes blocks with ongoing research to allow massive future increases. One thing to note about Bitcoin Cash is that it had its best times, at least in terms of its overall price, back around the time it was launched. Late 2017 and early 2018 were boom times for crypto generally, and Bitcoin Cash, as a new and exciting cryptocurrency, caught a lot of people's attention. When Bitcoin Cash first came onto the market in July 2017, it was priced at around $400. While there were some ups and downs over the first few months, things really started to heat up towards the end of the year. On December 20, 2017, it hit an all-time high of $4,355.62, more than 10 times what the coin had been worth when it came out around 5 months earlier. Those good times could not last though, and the drop was harsh. Around a year after its record high, Bitcoin Cash hit an all-time low of $75.08 on December 15, 2018. This represented a drop of more than 98% over the space of 12 months. There was then some recovery, and BCH spent most of 2019 and 2020 hovering between $100 and $500. But changes were about to take place. The first few months of 2021 saw cryptocurrency generally booming. While Bitcoin Cash was not able to get anywhere near the heights it had reached in late 2017, at the start of last year BCH was worth $342.98. 2 days later it closed at $421.79 on January 3rd. Although there was some volatility and fluctuation, the overall movement of travel was upwards, with the coin hitting an intraday high on January 9th of $587.89. There was still room for improvement, though, and the following day's intraday high of $629.80 was the best price that month, before the coin went back down to finish January at $399.77. February's best score was $767.51 on February 15th. While there was a fallback to a monthly close of $459.91, this was another month when the coin finished higher than it started. That pattern continued in March, with the end-of-play price of $543.24 on March 31st coming after a monthly high of $607.07 on March 13th. April continued the pattern, but with some very bullish behavior. The intraday high on April 16th of $1,170.73 was the first time the coin had broken the $1,000 barrier for quite a while, and the following day's intraday peak of $1,208.59 was a monthly high. BCH then went down, but April's closing price of $993.43 was still 83% higher than the end of March and almost 3 times higher than it had been at the start of the year. May was a month where pretty much anything went. The monthly and 12-monthly high of $1,635.15, an intraday high on May 12th, came as the BCH price enjoyed a sustained rally above the $1,000 mark. But then disaster struck. Bitcoin Cash was not immune to the great crypto day crash on May 19th, and it fell by more than half, from a daily high of $1,110.53 to a low of $507.73. While it recovered to close the day at $706.80, and went up the next day to close at $821.60, the damage was done. The coin ended May at $703.88, down by nearly 30% from the previous month. June saw another significant monthly fall, this time of just over 25% to $526.30, though July's closing price was up slightly at $547.80. This led to some revised Bitcoin Cash predictions, and August was another positive month. There was a monthly high of $713.67 on August 16th, and it finished the month at $636.77, up 16% from the end of July. September saw bearish forces take control, and it ended down 21% to $502.50 as the month came to an end. October was a bit more positive, and, on the afternoon of October 29th, BCH stood at about $581, eventually closing at $596.24. On November 9th the coin reached $716.32, but over the course of the month it followed a downward trend, and by December 2, 2021, it hit an intraday low of $559.18. The winter period was a difficult time for cryptocurrencies overall, and Bitcoin fell by 25% over the course of January. BCH also struggled over the bearish period, and by January 10, 2022, the coin was valued around $357. The coin continued its downward trajectory to a low of $262.50 on January 24, its lowest in well over a year. The coin looked as if it would be hovering around the $300 mark for some time, until Russia's invasion of Ukraine on February 24 prompted a fall to $261.34. There was some recovery from this, but by the middle of March it was back below $300. That was until a market upswing late in the month pushed the price up, and on March 31 it closed at $384.04. April was another difficult period for crypto yet again, as fears of another crypto winter loomed large over the volatile market. New regulation continued to pose threats to Bitcoin, including a ban on proof-of-work crypto mining operations in New York. Worse news was to come as a market-wide crash caused Bitcoin Cash to plummet, hitting a low of $160.07 on May 12. Market turmoil continued well into June, leading to a low of $108.09 on June 17. This downtrend continued until BCH hit $98.29 on June 30, a 52-week low according to CoinMarketCap. Some slight positive price movement followed, however, and as of July 8, the token was trading at around $109.72, moving roughly in line with broader crypto market activity. At that time, there were approximately 19.1 million BCH in circulation, representing the total supply. There is a current max supply of 21 million, so 91% are in circulation. The coin had a market cap of just over $2 billion, making it the 30th largest crypto by that metric. With that all said and done, what is the BCH price prediction? Wallet Investor suggests that it will be worth around $6.08 in a year. The site's Bitcoin Cash price prediction for 2025 is marked by volatility between $2 and $6. In addition, the site states that the coin is a bad long-term, one-year investment. Digital Coin Price suggests the coin could be worth up to $158.15 in 2023 and makes a Bitcoin Cash price prediction for 2030 that forecasts each could be worth an average of $500.71 before reaching $584.37 in 2031. Coin Price Forecast also provides some positive projections, stating, according to the latest long-term forecast, Bitcoin Cash price will hit $177 by the end of 2022, and in the first half of 2023, the Bitcoin Cash price will climb to $198. However, Gov Capital does not provide a positive outlook, suggesting the coin will be worth nothing by the end of September this year.